Problem 3, perform the indicated operations by hand, then use a calculator to check your work. So for this one, we need to deal with the numerators first and denominators first. It's like working with the parentheses. So just with the top, we follow the parentheses exponents rule. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So first thing I see is 5 squared, so I'm going to deal with that first. And at the same time, I can work the denominator as well. 4 squared is 16. So now I have this. I have 15 minus 25 in the numerator. I think that's going to be negative 10. 16 plus 6 is positive 22. Now this is going to be a negative number because we have a negative divided by a positive. And then I can take out a 2 from the numerator and take out a 2 from the denominator. So my result looks like it's negative 5 over 11. Now they say to use a calculator to check your work, but I think it's going to be tougher in a calculator because we have to punch this in correctly. So to punch this in correctly, what we want to do is we want to make sure we actually do use the parentheses. So let me mark this up a little bit. I want to deal with the numerator first. So it's a 15 minus 5 squared, but then I'm going to divide. If I divide just like this without without parentheses, I'm going to divide this negative 25 divided by 6, and then after that it'll work outwards. So we want to make sure you put a parentheses around the numerator and denominator. Let us now take a look at that in action. We have parentheses, a 15 minus 5, and then the square button is here, or you can put the caret too. Since it's a square button, we have it up there. Close parentheses and then divide by. And then now I have a 6 plus 4. And the 4 is going to be squared. 6 plus 4 squared. Oh, there you go. I forgot the parentheses. If I were to punch this, it'll calculate this numerator first, and then it'll divide by 6. And then it'll add a 4 squared. That's not what we want. I need to go back over here, and the second function and insert, we'll insert a parentheses, and then I go all the way to the end and put the close parentheses. So let's see what my answer is going to be. Well, I got negative 0.454545. I wonder if that's equivalent to 5 over 11. Now there's a quick way to do that with a calculator. I'm going to press Math, and then this says whatever value I have, I'm going to make into a fraction. So I'm going to click on that. I'll take my previous answer and make a fraction out of that. And that's negative 5 over 11. Okay, so that's it.